Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, founders from around the globe. Welcome to our monthly Founders Connect session. This session is all about you guys getting to know each other and connecting with each other. And then once called upon, please tell us your name, company name, where you're joining from, as well as 1 2 minute elevator pitch regarding your company and the problem that you're solving. And feel free to share whether there's ways you can support other founders or if you need of support from other founders. And on chat, feel free to share your LinkedIn, feel to get connected there. And you guys are also able to connect with each other on the platform in the networking section. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. The first person on my list is Mr. Jim Sinclair.
Thanks, Peyman. Hello, everybody. Good to be here. My name is Jim St. Clair. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MyLego. Our specific focus is to provide a digital wallet and digital identity credential for patients in healthcare to be able to use for verifying their identity, matching them to the system, and being able to connect directly to their health records for information exchange. We have, because of just changes in the industry, also been able to start branching out a bit to apply our solution for health AI and health AI agents working with patients. I have been in the accelerator for a while now, just kind of getting my act together to head towards graduation, and glad to be able to join everyone here.
Thank you, Jim. Melanie.
Hey, Peyman. Thank you.
Hello, Mel.
Good seeing everybody. Melanie Brewer from Erie, Pennsylvania. Our company is called Away Together. We are a white labeled, customizable mobile application for small to medium-sized hotels that allows for hotels not to spend $250,000 creating their own app, and also maintains that connection between the hotel and the traveler post-trip. We just completed an integration with a company called Touristy, so it also allows for hotels to collect a commission off of external bookings. Your final statement, Peyman, of how one can be supportive of being in the room. I still work full-time. My husband focuses on Away Together full-time, so I work for the federal government. So if there's any type of procurement kind of thought processes going on that anybody needs connections for, feel free to let me know. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Mel. All right, Joe Busby.
Okay, I'm Joe Busby. I'm I'm the CEO of Global Sustainable Products, and we are farmers and had a problem with our biodegradable waste, just like almost any farmer in the world would have. And we were having problems with EPA and the other regulators on such things, and there were no solutions that took care of the pain and suffering involved with biodegradable waste. So we researched and tested and developed a solution that we got FDA and USDA and EPA approval that is 100% biodegradable. It can be fed as feed to animals in the human food chain, and it can be used as organic fertilizer with no restrictions. That is something that we knew we needed, and the good news is it upcycles rather than recycles, so we can do it at a profit, at a very nice margin of profit. We're in Marianna, Florida, which is in the panhandle of Florida in the Central Time Zone.
Great. Thank you, Joe. Let me go to Bartendu Sinha.
Hey, thanks a lot, Peyman. Hey, my name is Bartendu. I'm CEO and founder of a company called Ingenuity. So we have a unique capability that is we can monitor, control, and optimize any kind of electrical device anywhere. And that's a concept that is new in the energy grid. The solutions for that currently smart plugs, building management systems, energy management systems, smart devices, they're all partial and they're not very successful or effective. So that enables us to do a lot of things in terms of just two examples I'll give you. Electrification of your home. You put a smart panel, $5,000 to buy, $5,000 to install. We can do that for $500 to $1,000 with no downtime self-install. You want to make your device smart, instead of paying $2,000, $3,000 to buy something and $2,000, $3,000 to install it, we can do that for a couple of $100. So we are new to the market. We are looking at the entire gamut of 10 billion plus mid to high power electrical devices in the world. And we are launching our product towards beginning of Q4.
Thank you. Appreciate it. David Ure, please.
Hello, my name is David Ure. I am in Vancouver, BC, and our company is orbintel.io. We are developing a way to monetize data to help companies improve the profitability of their data sets. We recently we're focusing on geodata, ranging from drones to satellites, and I could use some help in networking to satellite operators. If you need help in data controls and understanding possibilities for making your data more profitable, come talk to me. Thanks so much.
Thank you, David. Okay, Brendan.
Brendan Putek, founder and CEO of Smooth Dev Technologies. We're operating as smoothdev.io. The world has a software engineering documentation problem, right? University software engineering documentation pretty much sucks. If you're a developer, it's awful. Increases costs, more bugs, wasted time, and that's the problem that we're solving. We're generating documentation for software engineering from commit message all the way to end user docs, directly integrated into existing software engineering workflows. So it's a no-op for teams to implement and utilize. We're about done our MVP, right, for our B2B side, and I'm going to be looking for design partners and beta testers.
Amazing. Thank you, Brendan. Okay, let me go to Zach.
Hey everybody, Zach Winnick. I'm up in the Bay Area, the North Bay Area. I'm in Napa. I am the founder and CEO of Rangeway Energy. And basically what we're doing is we are bringing destination EV charging to scenic highways across the country, starting in California on Pacific Coast Highway. So right now we're currently in the phase of trying to identify some sites and get some funding, starting to onboard some really awesome partners that are really big in the EV and e-mobility space, and looking to bring concept of ultra fast DC fast charging to scenic highways and places that people want to go road tripping with their EVs that they can't right now. And that means bringing, being able to charge your car in 25 to 30 minutes at the most, and have a nice comfortable driver's lounge with snacks and vending, or even one of those Amazon just walk out stations, possibly in a place with a great scenic overlook, especially on PCH where you can see the ocean from a cliff, or even in Death Valley or Moab where you can have beautiful views of the desert. And just kind of here just to kind of meet everybody and just kind of be a resource in the EV and e-mobility space, and just to see what everybody else is working on.
Amazing. Thank you, Zach. Let's continue on. Nick, please.
Hi, everyone. My name is Nick White. I am the CEO of Thinky. We operate a brain training sensor. It's actually a step counter for your brain. You wear it on your forehead about 15 minutes a day, every other day. You can lower your brain age by up to four years in 3 months' time. You'll see noticeable improvement in your cognition after just 4 weeks use. The reason this is important is because everybody's getting older. Our population is aging. 1 in 5 Americans will be over age 65 in the next 5 years. Significant growth there. So this is, we're looking to build a $50 million company by the end of the next 5 years. We're raising $1 million currently right now for customer acquisition and product development. We're based in Seattle, but we're originally a Japanese company. If you work in this space at all or have any connections, I look forward to talking to you.
Thank you, Nick. And love the demo. Right on cue. All right, let's go to Carrie, please.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm Kerry. I'm from Sydney, Australia, so it's really early here this morning. I am the CEO and co-founder of NFP Ocean. It is designed to be an ecosystem that brings together everything that not-for-profit and charity organizations need all in one place. That includes all the service providers, all the great products and apps, resources and information. Currently, they're all scattered across the four winds, and it's really hard for not-for-profits to find what they need and run efficiently, to the point that they waste here in Australia something to the vicinity of $12 billion a year just searching for stuff they can't find out of their very, very small budgets. We are in pre-revenue, post-launch phase, and we have been spending a lot of time on validating our market and really just enjoying talking to our customers to make sure all of our assumptions are correct about what we've put together and growing from there. So we are open to anyone who wants to road test us or give us feedback, and also happy to road test any of the products and services you have as well. Thanks.
Amazing. Thank you, Carrie. Adrian, Swish, please.
Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Adrian Swish. I'm based in Los Angeles. I'm the founder of Label IQ AI. We're an all-in-one AI and Web3 platform to create audio and video and launch a creator token. So let's say, for instance, if you're an artist and you need $500 to shoot a small music video, you could launch a creator or album token on our platform and raise $1 up to $500 from your fans.
Great. Thank you, Adrian. RK.
Hello, everybody. How you guys doing today? It's Rashidi Kabamba, but I just go by RK. My business is RK's company. We're looking to building an MVP to be able to collect data on your fan base for independent musicians and indie artists. I'm an indie artist and entrepreneur myself, and I actually create jingles to be able to help brands connect with their consumer base in order to sell their products and services. So I hope everybody's having a great day. And for me personally, as a founder, I would just need help with bookkeeping, because like I'm struggling with that right now. Yeah, bookkeeping. So hope everybody's doing well. Cheers.
Thanks, RK. Okay, JC, Lightcap.
Everybody, JC Lightcap. I'm here in Denver, CEO founder of Omen Insights. So what we've seen is retail enterprise companies continually miss category drift, and then their competition swoops in and gets there before they do, because they're busy looking at the P&L before they make any changes. So what we want to do is create an early warning system that will analyze their data, create opportunities, and then identify those blind spots they can take advantage of before the competition. We are pre-revenue, still product market fit, trying to get a pilot with someone. In my day-to-day life, I'm a fractional COO, so if you need help with herding cats or getting the trains to run on time, feel free to reach out. Thanks, everybody.
I like that. That's the best way to describe what we do as COOs, herding cats. I like that. All right, JC, thanks. Let's go to our next founder, Mehrdad, please.
All right, thank you so much. I am Mehrdad. I am founder of Acute Doctor. Acute Doctor is an AI-powered connecting global patient, medtech companies, insurance, and medical providers. And that's it. The word is the next to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehrdad. All right, let me go to Alan.
By the way, sorry,
Yeah,
I forgot to say, we need help to find our commercial manager or a CTO. If you have any connections, I would be glad to have it. Thank you so much. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Thanks, Mehrdad. Okay, let me go to Alan, please.
Hi, my name is
there
Alan
you
Vane.
are.
Right. Hi, my name is Alan Vane, and I'm the founder and CEO of Redpeak Corp. We're an AI automation agency that helps businesses save time and cut costs with smart automation. Most companies today are wasting a lot of hours and a lot of money on repetitive tasks, from customer service calls to lead follow-ups to back office processes. We assist businesses in optimizing those tasks by building custom AI agents and automations tailored to their exact needs. Instead of buying a one-size-fits-all software, we like to sit down with you, identify your pain points, and design an automation that saves you money, improves your accuracy, and frees up your team to focus on growth. We help companies replace their schedule. For example, things that we've done before is that we've helped companies replace their scheduling with an AI assistant. We've automated their lead qualifications, and we've even built bots to help handle their customer service 24/7, all for a fraction of the cost of human labor. And that's just the beginning, because our solutions are custom built. We can create any kind of automation that your business needs, whether it's for front office tasks, back office tasks, or industry-specific workflows. And as a result, you have higher efficiency, lower costs, and a faster growth without adding headcount. What we would need from other startup founders would be people that need their problems solved. If there's any filler that you need cleaned up, we have the automation to help you out with that.
Fantastic. Thank you, Alan. Okay, let me go to Michael Joseph, please.
Good afternoon, evening. Pleasure to be here. Thank you for arranging. Michael Joseph from Northern Virginia, founder and CEO of Vislier, where we're bringing what we call agentic adaptive intelligence to reimagine healthcare and navigate those moments that matter. So that, for example, typically could be the massive heart attack, the ED visit, that dialysis for kidney failure for the rest of your life. So those moments that matter are serious and consequential. We want to flip the script. We want to go back in time, what led to that, and redefine that moment that matter as a time where kidney failure wasn't inevitable at dialysis, when the heart attack wasn't inevitable, when that ED visit wasn't inevitable. We're trying to utilize our platform to prevent avoidable complications, promote healthier populations, and support economic sustainability of health systems. Our solution with that agentic adaptive intelligence generates context-aware insights at the point of care around cardiometabolic disease to start, giving clinicians that evidence-aligned guidance to support treatment planning. This leads to, among other things, optimized financial performance for healthcare organizations, improved clinical outcomes if orchestrated correctly, reduce acute care utilization, and this is most prevalent in value-based care contracts, and elevates overall quality of care. What we're pre-seed, pre-revenue, working with HitLab out of New York. We're an NVIDIA partner, Microsoft AI Cloud partner, and we're seeking pre-seed funding for clinical validation, MVP implementation, and sales team expansion. And I'd love to talk to anybody in healthcare, digital health, healthcare AI, and start the conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Michael. Okay, JC, please.
I'm JC Rollison. I'm the founder of NewBlock. We are a decentralized blockchain payment infrastructure, a network that harnesses borderless payments. We've been in this industry for 6 years now. Happy to be a part of the Peachscore Accelerator program on our new project, NewBlock. We have over 200 cryptocurrencies that we harness payments. We don't need wallet connectivity. We're not the traditional Web3 platform. We've built these infrastructures for the past 6 years, as mentioned. So our motto is to make borderless payments seamless and effortless for the global citizen without intermediaries. Our full ecosystem is encrypted, fully decentralized, and self-custody. We also have NewBlock Portal for developers and businesses. We offer no-code API solutions for developers to be able to plug in our payment rails to offer payment streams. And also we have UI designs for businesses to be able to accept, send, and receive digital currencies and automatically swap to stable coins. If anyone is willing or open to connect, totally open to collaborating and seeing if we can work something out.
Thank you, Jason. Let me go to Kamal, please. And Kamal, you're on mute.
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you.
Got it.
No, I thought I heard my name. So hello, everybody. This is Kamal Kapoor. I am co-founder and COO of OversightGlobal.com. We are a leadership coaching company. We believe leadership is not a title, it's a transformational journey. Our mission is to empower individuals and organizations to unlock their full potential through a holistic blend of mindset, leadership, and wellness. We offer leadership training, focus on emotional intelligence, communication, and authentic influence, one-on-one coaching, group coaching. And also we started corporate offering, which is based on team bonding experience, communications, workshops, specialized training in handling difficult conversation and conflict resolutions. We also do mind, body, and wellness retreats in Hawaii and also Mexico, Indonesia, Japan, and Costa Rica, which is basically based on mind, body, and soul connection. Activities include mindfulness, yoga, chakra dancing, nature-based reflection. Yeah, feel free to connect with us, and we'll happy to work with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Let me go to Chris, please.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the CEO and founder of Synergy Life Science. And I thought I was a tech guy until I heard a bunch of your pitches today. So anyway, I want to introduce you to Nebi. Today, people are consuming things through inhalation that could be managed in a more safe manner. So Nebi is the first. This is a Views, just to give you an idea of the size. So it's not much bigger than a Views. It fits in the pocket. Nebi is the first portable nebulizer-like vape device. We're able to deliver nicotine without heat and oil, which are the primary issues with today's inhalation market. So while we intend for this to go to pharmaceutical, we are currently delivering nicotine and cannabis through a water-based vapor with Nebi. And Nebi was recently patented, and so I haven't been able to talk much about it until now. So yes, from other founders, we need distribution. We need, funding so that we can launch Nebi on a global scale. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Chris. Okay, let's go to Shravan.
My name is Shravan. I'm the founder and CEO of Proof of Life INC. It's a platform for the users who can able to share, store securely all their properties, their asset information, their digital information like their passwords and the documents. They can store everything securely on platform and also share them with their family members. In case of an emergency, if something happens to them, the family members can able to access this information and they can protect their assets from going unclaimed. And this is the core use case at the core of our platform is. Going beyond this one, our story is evolving. Like we are able to add the taxes related documents, your health documents, your documents related to your finances. Right now, we want to develop an intelligent system where we provide a complete insights about a personal life essentials. Right now, everything is siloed. Your finances, your budget, and taxes. They have a separate platforms. They don't have any relation. Right now, we are aiming to provide a complete insights into a person's life by integrating all this information together. And that's one of the goal that we trying to work on. But right now we are pre-seed and pre-revenue. We are working on collecting feedback from our users, beta users. We have pre-launched our product, and we are also doing surveys for our features that we want to include. Like we want to automate for onboarding of users with the financial institutions and also the private vendors like Plaid and Visa and TransUnion to preload the sensitive data into the platform. And also the marketplace, we are designing about the marketplace to sell products and services like insurance, estate planning services, afterlife services, and like wealth management, finance related, and budgeting related services. So we are running the surveys and we're trying to get the feedback from the users on what they want to see the next one. And yeah, we are in that process right now. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Richard.
Yeah, hi, good to see you, guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the founder of Northern Blue, which is an ancient company. I've been developing commercial and bespoke software for over 40 years. And the products that I'm most proud of that I currently have in my stable, one is called Inception, the other one's called Cryptera, the Cryptera HSM, which I developed every line of code in for both. Inception right now has been used by 3 corporations successfully for transforming documents into any other format. A while back, not that long ago, I was going to sell everything to a company called Shiny Docs. And so what I did was I put in the functionality to be able to automate transformation of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents into text. And then I wrote a database microservice to be able to drop it into a database so that you can do searches and find original documents back within archives, within shared resources. The scripting language I wrote for Inception to do Word documents took 4 commands. To do Excel and PowerPoint, 5. That's how powerful it is. I'm working on PDF right now. Overall, this is a data mining tool that can bring any sort of data into form so that you can write some easy scripts to do the final. I did that last time when I was translating financial for a fintech firm for PCI audit, DSS audit. I was doing PCI DSS audit logs directly from server logs and server reports. That's basically Inception. I need to be able to get market share now, and I'm going to port it to Windows and do all the other things with that and put a UI on it. It's currently running under Linux. The Cryptera HSM, I've got a few of them. They've been tested to death. We've used them with products, with companies and things. This is extremely high-speed mass encryption and decryption of complete directory chains using all the cores at the same time. And it's using 384-bit symmetric encryption in a way that I wrote the ring, I designed the rings to go with it. It's very unique. I worked with profs at the University of Waterloo in order to get everything right. So needless to say, what I need to do is focus on Inception, get some market share, and also at the same time migrate it over so that it opens up more. You know, if I get it into Windows, that opens the door again for companies like Alarix and Shiny Docs. Okay, this has huge potential. Cryptera is in a $4 billion a year market. That's a later thing. So anyways, that's how it is. I hope that works for you guys.
Thank you, Richard. Let me go to our next person, Hassan, please. I think that's your, there we go.
Hello.
Go for it.
Great. Hi, everyone. I'm Sabine Hassan, founder and CEO of Human XP. Again, our mission at Human XP is to prepare the next generation, Generation Alpha, 5 to 12-year-olds with the skills machine can't replace. Human XP is an AI-powered emotional guide and cultural companion for kids, trained by psychologists and Cultural Intelligence Center. Through our shape-shifting AI character, Hui, our AI guide, children build cultural intelligence, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. We combine immersive games, interactive stories, and real-world cultural host experiences to help kids grow not just smarter, but kinder and more resilient. As I mentioned, we are partnering with educators, psychologists, and content creators globally. And I'm excited to share how Human XP is pioneering the future of culture and emotional learning. We all know that now that I've talked about solution, a little bit about problem. So we do have like 43 million kids in migration context without any help in terms of integrating them into the classroom. We have like a market of 150 billion in terms of social emotional learning globally. That is untapped, and like we do not have many solutions available in terms of cultural context globally. So that's the market, and those are the people who we are trying to tap there. We have already partnered with 6 schools internationally in UAE, US, and Canada. Got really good response from them and looking to implement this particular program there.
Great. Thank you. Tyler, please. Tyler Childs.
Hey, welcome everyone. I appreciate all the stories. It's fun to listen to. My name is Tyler Childs. I'm the founder of Turnkey. I like to call it a re-startup because we've had 25 years in the event tourism industry. And through that, we recognize that that space is a landscape of waste. And we recognize there's a better way to bring a lot of the silos together. So if you've ever participated in a youth sporting event with your kids, you've experienced the pain point of 4 or 5 different applications you're required to use just to enjoy that opportunity. We've specialized in the travel side is where we began our journey, and with that we became the industry's backboard for let's call it psychological breakdown as they struggle through travel and event experiences. So with that, we had the opportunity to build a really unique product that brings together a lot of the industry problems and streamlines it into one beautiful, tiny, seamless experience. So appreciate everybody's time and love to hear some more stories.
Thank you, Tyler. Lori, please.
All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name's Lori Coombs. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about my company. It is WWCM, and what we are bringing to the market is an AI-driven cyber effectiveness evaluator, ACE application. So we are in the process of raising funding for patent, and that's the main goal at this point. We are headquartered in Reston, Virginia, and we have plans to expand in San Francisco. It is a small certified woman-owned business, and we work primarily with the DoD industry and academia. We have, if you go to www.capmgmt.com, WWCM has been working with the DoD and intelligence community for well over a decade, since 2007. And this year in April, we were asked to present to US Cybercom in response to their measures of effectiveness and providing a solution to measure their cyber posture. So in terms of protecting our nation's cyber posture, that was one of the goals, and a major goal with Peachscore is creating the AI application. So with that said, cyberjobs.world is a division of WWCM, and our goal is to help minimize the jobs gap globally. And so what we're looking for at this point would be partners, folks that have the ability to support AI applications, as well as we are looking for that initial funding for patenting the AI application. And it's a pretty big initiative when it comes to contracts over a period of 5, even 6 years. We're looking in the neighborhood of at least 26 million, which is pretty average for AI apps, maybe 20 million or so. And I can be reached on LinkedIn. It's my name is Lori D. Coombs, and I will put it in the chat for further assistance. Thank you.
Great, amazing. Thank you. David, go for it.
Well, thank you very much. I'm very happy to be part of this movement of this accelerator program. I am the founder of Young Agent Rights. Well, it's a company that I have created recently 1 month ago. It's a girly-based mobility startup And we are trying to build a smart, fair, and fully compliant alternative to the key players. The market is dominated by American business like Meta and other foreign companies like Bold. And the problem is that they are providing some right-hand business models that are completely broken, where you have drivers who are losing up to 30% of their income due to high commissions, and the taxes are getting fair competitions. And if you are a passenger, you are left on, you are left with overpricing, and most of the times there is also some surge pricing. A lot of meetings happening out there in the market, and this is responsible for interest. There is also a little focus on sustainability, and I'm about to finish. And we want to make sure that our solution is legal, so we can combine the legal compliance with local.
Okay, thank you, David. Let me go to the next person, Ebube.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ebube David Oswagu. I'm the founder and CEO of Snippy. We are a mobile platform for mobile barbers. We connect users to mobile barbers in the area, so you no longer or don't go get a haircut, bring it to you. We are currently at our raising the seed round. I'm looking to establish a foundation to scale. We currently have a live MVP on both the app and Play stores with around 30 or so barbers around the world. So those who are looking to connect with those who are a little further ahead of me on their entrepreneurial journey and willing to provide information and I guess a guiding hand. Oh.
All right, folks, great session.